Salut, c'est David. J'espère que vous allez bien. Hi, everybody. This is David from FrenchLearner.com. Hope everybody's well. If you would like to see the sentences in today's podcast, please click the link in the description. Once you're on FrenchLearner.com, I welcome you to subscribe to the best French word of the day lesson on this planet. Let's begin. Le mot du jour aujourd'hui, the word of the day today, is the verb emprunter, which means to borrow. There is a specific caveat associated with the grammar of this verb, which we'll explain. Emprunter is a regular ER verb. This means that its endings are the same as other regular ER verbs when conjugated in the present tense. The conjugation of emprunter is j'emprunte, I borrow, tu empruntes, you borrow, il, elle emprunte, he or she borrows, nous empruntons, we borrow. Notice the liaison on the S on the nous. Nous empruntons. Vous empruntez, you borrow, plural or formal. Vous empruntez. Ils empruntent, elles empruntent. They borrow. Let's look at the example sentences. The young couple borrows money from the bank to buy the house. Le jeune couple emprunte de l'argent à la banque pour acheter la maison. One more time. The young couple borrows money from the bank to buy the house. Le jeune couple emprunte de l'argent à la banque pour acheter la maison. Let's break this down. In French, the grammatical structure for emprunter is emprunter quelque chose à quelqu'un. To borrow something, literally, to somebody. This is in stark contrast from English, where we say to borrow something from somebody. So let's look at that first sentence again. The young couple borrows money from the bank to buy the house. Le jeune couple emprunte de l'argent à la banque pour acheter la maison. Second sentence. The bank lends money to the young couple. La banque prête de l'argent au jeune couple. La banque prête de l'argent au jeune couple. So for this sentence, the verb prêter means to lend. The French and English grammar are the exact same for prêter. Prêter quelque chose à quelqu'un. To lend something to somebody. Next sentence. The student borrows a good novel from the library. L'étudiant emprunte un bon roman à la bibliothèque. So the student borrows a good book from the library. L'étudiant emprunte un bon livre à la bibliothèque. So the same grammar applies to this example sentence. In French, the student borrows the book to the library and not from the library. Next sentence and final sentence. We're going to take this path to get to the summit of the mountain. Nous allons emprunter ce sentier pour arriver au sommet de la montagne. Nous allons emprunter ce sentier pour arriver au sommet de la montagne. So as mentioned at the beginning of the lesson, emprunter can also mean to take in the context of a path or a trail. Related vocabulary. There are some vocabulary words which are related to emprunter. The first is un emprunt, which is a loan. Second, un emprunt immobilier, a mortgage. Un emprunt immobilier. The third word is un emprunteur or une emprunteuse, a borrower. And the fourth is an adjective, emprunté, which means awkward or ill at ease. Et voilà, c'est la fin de la leçon. J'espère que c'était très utile. This is the end of the lesson. I hope that you found it to be useful. Now you know exactly how to use emprunté in French. Please, I invite you to go to FrenchLearner.com and subscribe to the best French word of the day lesson on this planet. Merci beaucoup, mes amis. Et à la prochaine. Au revoir.